Barrington hit the books harder than ever. He trained longer. He worked every job he could find just to pay for flight lessons. People laughed when he told them he wanted to fly around the world. Some said he wasn't smart enough. Others said he wasn't rich enough. But the boy who once looked down had learned to look up. He built confidence the same way he built his dream, piece by piece. And eventually, he built something even bigger. At just 23 years old, Barrington assembled his own plane, a Columbia 400, built almost entirely with donated parts. An aircraft stitched together by hope, determination, and pure Jamaican stubbornness. And on a quiet day in 2007, he climbed into that cockpit alone. With the world watching and doubt behind him, Barrington Irving took off, starting a journey that wrapped around a whole planet, through storms, through loneliness, across oceans and continents, with nothing but faith, skill, and the dream of every youth who believes they're meant for more.